So in this video, I'm going to show you very briefly how you can use a three-phase tool like this here in a shop that has single-phase electricity. This item over here, there are other phase converters, but this is one option. This one is a rotary phase converter. You can see what looks like an electrical motor, and then there's a box up here. That switch right there used to be in the box, but I mounted the box on the wall and it wasn't real convenient, so I just took that switch and mounted it remotely under there. And now, I turn that on, then that will now make me able to turn this on. Now you got to be cautious. Electricity will still be going to this, so you have to write yourself a little note like that to be sure to turn on your phase converter before turning this on, or you could have problems. The other thing to be aware of before I turn this on, I need to make sure my phase converter is up to speed. Okay, but that actually works pretty good. Phase converters, they are more expensive, obviously the bigger one you need, but it will give you an idea when you go to purchase what size you'll need based on how many amps you'll be drawing, etc. But that option there works really well.